Hi everyone, welcome back to Exile Mixes. Last episode, I was doing headphone mixes for 3 band members without using headphone amps. So, since the aux mixes cannot be heard in the master, if you watch that video, you might wonder how I let you hear what I was doing in the mix because it can't be heard in the master even if I press PFL. More so with the PFL because PFL doesn't go to the master. If you know your routing, if you PFL any channel or any mix bus, it won't be routed to the master. It will just be routed to your headphones or control room speakers, depending on your mixer. So for this console, when you PFL, you solo it, it will just be routed to your headphones. So it won't be recorded with the master, which I was doing that while doing that episode. So I will now show you how I did that. For that episode, what I did was a kind of mix minus routing setup. So you can hear the headphone mix and not the overall mix going to the master. This is going to be tricky because even me myself, I had to kind of pause and think about what I was doing. So first, I turned off all the routing switches going to the master for all channels. Then I took the 2 headphone jacks out of the auxes from aux 1 and aux 2. I removed those connections and took a TRS balance cable and plugged it into the aux 1 output and hooked it to channel 12. I did the same with aux 2 but plugged it into the line input of channel 13. So now I have 2 aux sending directly to channel 12 and channel 13, both mono channels. So that it will not send signal back out again to each aux output, I turned down the aux sends for both and routed them to the master by clicking on this channel routing here. This is a mix minus setup, much like what is used in podcasts. I can control each of the mixes 2 ways, by turning up the fader of each channel or turning up the master aux send knob in the master section. I kept the faders up and just controlled the master sends for each aux send while I discussed it in that episode, so you can clearly hear what was going on in each headphone mix. I hope you learned something from this. I am not an expert. I just figured this out on my own to solve my own problems. So if you have any ideas better than this, please let me know. I'd be happy to learn more from you. Thank you for watching. Till next time.